So first I want to provide you with some context about Kettering. We have extremely strong ties to the automotive industry as we used to be GMI. We are located in Flint, Michigan, and we're built on the idea of hands-on experience. This means that our students actually co-op every 3 months, and they rotate between school and co-op for 4 years. This also means that we have two completely opposite, yet parallel groups of students that will never have classes together. You don't know half your campus. The 11-week schedule also means that students barely have time to go to class, study, and sleep, let alone think about ideas like innovation and pursue their passions. The campus has always had very strong ties to innovation and entrepreneurship and has provided resources for it, but our access to students has been rather limited. Students needed to change this mindset, and they had to do it through some manner. The answer was University Innovation Fellows. We sent fellows to the very first meetup. They came back excited with ideas and were on fire with passion for Kettering. Their first project that they wanted to implement was a T-space. This is a place for students to think, tinker, and thrive. This ballooned interest in innovation entrepreneurship on campus, and soon we had more than 25% of our students involved. The students that were the trailblazers on this put a lot of effort into attracting students and bringing them to the space. So by the time that they hit their senior year, they felt like they could kick back and relax. However, when they graduated, everything shattered. We had nobody to communicate between the sections, we had stopped all training, we had no budget, and we dropped to less than 50 members. We had hit rock bottom. When we decided to revitalize these programs, we sent students from both sections to start up a collaborative nature. So last year, we actually had a group of us come and sit in your exact seats. We quickly hit it off with Lawrence Tech and started to plan events that would be across several different campuses. So we've started to revitalize the I2E program at Kettering, have worked with Lawrence Tech on their innovation encounter, and have started discussions with Michigan Tech about UI Fresh. So we're starting to build beyond our campus. We have learned several things. Students want to be innovative, they want to be involved, and they're naturally curious about what innovation and entrepreneurship mean to them. So we've provided different resources for them. And this is even coming from an administrative level where we have actually opened up now 6 different D spaces on campus. These are design spaces with whiteboard walls and different areas that students can collaborate. You oftentimes see organic molecules right next to differential equations, and everyone's working together. It's absolutely beautiful. Another part of this is the faculty. They're actually starting to apply for grants and pursue different ways of teaching. They want to become involved with this excitement we're seeing on campus. They're becoming more than just instructors. They're starting to become our mentors, our partners, and truly innovators. The question is now, with all the great resources we have in the spaces on campus, what else can we create so that we don't become stagnant, so that we don't crash again? So I challenge you, how might we ignite our passion for innovation entrepreneurship on our campuses so that it is strong enough to survive?